Obviously, they're a good Crusaders team, and yeah, we just couldn't stop them. They got a good roll on, good start, so they're a tough team to stop.
Yeah, well, I just didn't do things that we wanted to. I think defensively we didn't come forward. When you let a team as good as the Crusaders, full of All Blacks, and we don't get off the line and allow gaps we didn't work hard enough. I think that's what happens. Get 69 points put against you.
What was some pleasing elements from tonight that you can take from the game?
Oh, again, we carried well, 4 tries here. I think, we do a lot of good stuff with the ball in hand. We don't probably continue with it all the time. It's obviously, again, just handling errors that sort of let us down a little bit. Probably was a bit loose, probably from us and from probably the referee a little bit as well. I think there's a couple of things that could have gone our way, but yeah, he just obviously. You got to take credit to Cody and the Crusaders of what they've done, and obviously even the special press area. You can see good luck for going to the new one.
Yeah, let's just touch on that. Obviously, for us and our fans, it's a big night, but this stadium has played a role in Super Rugby for 14 years, and teams have obviously come here for that long. A word from you guys on, obviously we know it's been our home for 14 years, but yeah, it's been a pretty, I guess, special but interesting place.
Yeah, well, I think I've had not too many good memories here, but you can see the history. Over the last few years, couple of years, especially after the earthquake. So they've done a great job, and it's served its purpose. You've Crusaders have won a lot of titles here, so yeah, tough place to play at. So hopefully, New Zealand's not as bad.
Although we don't usually have a loud cheer for the opposition, but there's quite a strong Fijian contingent here in Christchurch. Is that a little bit comforting hearing some support from the crowd when you run out?
Yeah, I mean it's always good to hear Fijians wherever you play in the world. So yeah, that definitely helped a bit. Yeah.
So Force next week. What's the plan of attack going forward?
Yeah, well, 8 to 18 rounds good. Obviously, you get from the Blues to this 6 to 18 rounds is always going to be a little bit difficult. So we'll get home tomorrow and obviously have a look at the Force. They're in the same sort of position as we are, so it's an important game for us. The boys just need to get home and have some belief that we know this is going to be a super hard game. It's really a battle now of 3 teams, and we need to win that one.